How to verify your A's on Bluesky. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser and then moving to the official site of Bluesky. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Head over to Settings at the bottom. It will land you on Space. Now simply move into Account at the very top. You can see the option of birthday. Click on Edit. Make sure that you enter your correct birth date in order to get verified. Also, you need to make sure that the age is above 18. Once done, now you need to try verifying your email address. Tap on Verify your email. Tap on Send email. You will receive one mail on your email address associated with your account. Head over to it and then copy the code. Once the code has been copied, now tap on Click here, right beside Have a Code. And then enter the code in this section. Once done, tap on Verify Code. Once the email address has been verified, your age will also be verified. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.